Landing page of kalahart.com. As you can see, the page opens with a list of banners. It describes what Kalahart is and why you should shop from us. Then we have a list of products which are featured on our website and a list of our NGO partners currently. Further down we have our contact details and also a link to a survey. This survey link is also available on top of the page. We also have coupons available. Currently we have 2 coupons. The categories of product are listed at the top of the website. On clicking any of the product, you land on the product page, wherein you can see the description of the product, how it has been made and which artisan from where has made this product. The NGO through which this product has come is also listed along with other details, whether it is in stock or not, the price tag. You can just hover on the product to see it in zoom screen. If you wish to buy the product, you can simply click on add to cart and it will be added to your shopping cart. To compare, you click to add to compare. Moving on, we have various subcategories in each of the category, and on each and every product you have 4 options: to view more, add to wish list, add to compare and add to cart. So basically you can just go on a product and with a single click you can add to your cart. Once you have finished shopping, you can simply click on this button and check out. You can either be a registered customer with your billing details already filled in the site, or you can check out using a guest account. Upon successful completion of the transaction, you are notified, and you can visit the store owner if you are not happy with the experience. You can write your name, email address and also your inquiry to the store owner. There is also a search button and
chain of Kalahart. For example, the NGO lists a product named Sea Blue Kurta on Kalahart. Kalahart lists it on the online store. The customer saw the product on the online store and orders it. Upon receiving the order, Kalahart tells NGO that an order for Sea Blue Kurta has been placed. The NGO places an order to FedEx. During the whole transaction, Kalahart takes 399 plus 80 rupees from the customer. 399 is the product cost, by 80 is the delivery charge. Out of the 399, we have to give 299 to the NGO. Also, we have to pay 80 rupees to FedEx for delivery charges from Delhi to Pilani. While the product is in transition, Kalahart keeps an eye on the product through the FedEx tracker. Also, the customer can go to the FedEx tracker and see where his products have reached. While the product is in transition, the Kalahart automatically notifies the customer of where his product has reached till the customer gets the product. After the customer gets the product, the customer sends us a feedback telling us how the whole experience was and how Kalahart has helped the rural artisans of India. So in the whole transaction, Kalahart has made a profit of 100 rupees, so which is basically 25% profit over the product cost.
We sold products made by the beneficiaries of Nirman organization through Kalahart website during Oasis this year. The people on campus could purchase the products availing cash on delivery facility and get the products delivered directly to their rooms. The packaging as well as delivery of products was handled by the Kalahart team. The categories of products that we sold were gents and ladies kurtas, ladies sweaters, mufflers, decorative wall hangings, handbags and laptop bags. We sold a total of 43 products with a revenue of Rs 8130. A profit of Rs 1560 was generated and the total profit percentage was 19.18%. After analyzing our sales, we found that apparel was the most profitable category, followed by laptop bags, wall hangings and handbags. Apart from the sales that we had through the Nirman Oasis store, the regular sales through our website, we received a total of 28 orders during our 1.5 month running period. The total revenue generated was Rs 6700. The total profit, considering the delivery costs involved, was Rs 980, generating a percentage profit of 14.62%.
would like to talk about the revenue streams of Kalahart. First of all, the main product segments of Kalahart are women's wear, women's accessories, men's wear, men's accessories, and home decor. Out here, as you can see, we have plotted a graph showing the products, the number of units sold of the various of the various product segments that we have, and the total number of units sold. Have the number of NGOs, which is and the gross sales and the net income shown from month 1 to year 5. So out here, as it is evident, it's basically a projection of our of the gross sales that we aim to achieve till year 5, which is close to 40 lakhs. Month 1 income statement is basically showing the important parameters, which are the important things being the gross sales, which is already plotted in the graph before. It shows 14,830 rupees we have earned as gross sales, and net sales being 9,230 rupees, and the delivery charges has been deducted at the rate of 80 rupees per unit sold, as was explained in the video. Web hosting expense is the same for every month. Similarly, for month 3, net income has increased to 17,560. Month 6, we have started giving discounts. So an average 10% discount on each product. Gross sales is increased twofold by this time, and since the number of units sold is also increased, that's why the net income has gone up to 22,341 from 17,560 in month 3. Month 12, in a year we aim to reach a net income of 33,961, going by a linear projection from the sales incurred till month 6, and in 2 years we aim to have a total income of 62,150 by the same approximation, and our number of NGO partners, most importantly, has grown up to 36 month, and in 5 years time we want to reach a net income of 1.4 lakhs per month. Mind you, all these values of net income are on a monthly basis.
On the road ahead for Kalahart, firstly we want to increase the number of NGO partners in the subsequent times. Then secondly, we want to increase our marketing budget by increasing our Google AdWords spendings. And thirdly, we want to implement an optimal pricing strategy by examining customer behavior.
Hello, I bought this kurta from Kalahart during OSS. I'm happy that I'm able to help Indian artisans through this.
Hi, this is Shmedha, and recently I logged on to kalahart.com and I bought this bag. I have been to their website quite some times, and they have quite a wide range of bags, from totes to handbags to clutches, and they have it in all kinds of materials like leather, resin, and even other materials, and I would highly recommend the site.
मुझे कलाहट के बारे में फेसबुक के थ्रू पता चला और मुझे इनका इनिशिएटिव बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि ये भारतीय कलाकारों को प्रोत्साहन देते हैं।